If the cost of everyday essentials are putting a strain on your budget, you'll be glad to know that there are several organizations that offer free cleaning supplies for low-income families. From food banks to community action agencies, we've got a great list today. Of course, sometimes you'll see these items marketed as free hygiene supplies or hygiene kits. That's because these kits often include things like shampoo, conditioner, body soap, cleaning supplies, and other hygiene items. Community action agencies are a great resource for free cleaning supplies. The Blue Water Community Action Agency in Michigan provides a personal hygiene packet that includes shampoo, soap, dish soap, laundry soap, disinfectant cleaners, hand sanitizers, and more. Even if your local agency doesn't keep these items in stock, they can usually point you in the direction of another organization or agency that does. That's why I strongly recommend reaching out to your local community action agency right away so that you can get connected with local resources that can help. Many community organizations have a designated cupboard, cabinet, or care box where people can donate cleaning supplies for low-income families. These spaces may also include food, personal hygiene supplies, or other necessary essentials as well. You may be able to find something like this at your local food bank, community recreation center, school, or other community organization. You may need to ask around your neighborhood to find them because they aren't always well advertised. Many food banks provide free cleaning supplies alongside their staple food items. That's because they know that low-income families can't access these essential supplies with other benefits like SNAP. Now, although not all food banks provide this option, many of them do. You'll just need to reach out to your local food bank in your area to see if they have anything like this available. Now, if there's a free store in your area, you may be able to access essentials like cleaning supplies there. I have been finding free stores popping up all across America, including the Free Store in Des Moines, Iowa, the Necessary Shop in Niagara Falls, New York, the New Free Store in Marquette, Michigan, Free Store 15104 in Braddock, Pennsylvania, and more. In many areas, the United Way has programs that can provide cleaning supplies, personal hygiene items, and other essentials. For example, the United Way of Bucks County in Bristol, Pennsylvania, welcomes low-income shoppers into their help center. Shoppers can select their own items at no cost. However, you'll need to be referred by a case manager from an approved member agency in order to go there. So I'd recommend reaching out to the United Way to see if they offer a service like this in your area and asking them what you would need to do to get connected with it. Now, of course, many churches and religious organizations also offer support to people in need, and this may include cleaning supplies as well. For example, the New Presbyterian Church of Irwin in Pennsylvania provides free cleaning supplies, including dish detergent, trash bags, bath soap, paper towels, and household cleaners to those that need them. This offer is through their Bountiful Blessings program. You'll need to apply to that to receive the help. You can always call 211 to connect with your local United Way resource line. They can help you find more local organizations that offer free cleaning supplies in your area. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more ways that you can save money and get free stuff.